Hello everybody. So we are on Vlogmas number 5 and today was a super duper busy day. So again, another late video, I know, but I had some great live chats today. So at 11 a.m. this morning I was chatting with you guys on my live, and then this evening we did the yarn hookers live and we did that chat. So some amazing chats. I really enjoyed it. If you didn't get a chance to check out the yarn hookers, we talked about charities and places that you can donate your work to if you wanted to donate your work. So make sure you check that out. There were some other extra little gems in there, like the apps we use and people that we recommend for those of you looking to start a YouTube channel. So I can't wait for you guys to check that out. Make sure you comment, and I will try and get stuff in the description, not for this video but for the yarn hookers live video. I'll try and get some listed stuff in the description for you guand get that copy and pasted so it's all in one spot for you. So that was my day-to-day, along with I had some shopping to do and stuff like that. So you'll start to see some b-roll over here. I did go to the Dollar Tree. I did find some more dollar yarn, so I couldn't resist picking some of that up. I found some new awesome colors. I didn't pick up any of the cotton. I wasn't a big fan of the cotton because it was kind of rough. It was kitchen cotton, and I'm okay with that. I just didn't want to pick that up today because I saw the new colors in their worsted weight and I wanted to pick that up. I also picked up some tea towels, which I don't think I have right over there, so I will take a separate picture of that and also put that over maybe here somewhere or something like that, so that you can see those tea towels, because there is a project, a really short, easy project over at Pamela's Adoring Crochet, where she was showing some gifts or things that you can make with the hand towels, the kind that you can kind of button to your stove, you know, the stove handle. Anyway, I wanted to show you the towels that I picked up. They weren't Christmas related because I missed my opportunity on that. They sold them all, but I did find something I wanted to add a little something to give to my sister. So that'll be a project, probably not this week, maybe next week or the following week. But anyway, let me show you the yarn that I picked up and I know you saw a little bit of it in my my little b-roll, but let me show you in person the yarn and tell you what the color names are. I know a lot of us have talked about this Just yarn from the Dollar Tree, and I know a lot of you don't have it available yet, so just keep an eye on the website too, because sometimes you don't have to buy a full case. A full case of yarn is $128. And I think the case might include other colors. I'm not sure. It may just all be one color, which is great if you want to make a blanket of that color, but 128 is a lot of yarn. Skeins, it's 128 skeins. Granted, the skeins are a little bit smaller, but still a lot of yarn. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look. So this is one of the colors that I found. It's kind of like I don't know if this color is showing true, but it's kind of like a wine color. It looks a little bit more brick red in this, at least what I'm seeing in the video, and it's more wine, more burgundy than what is showing in the camera. And the color is called, look at that, it's called burgundy. Imagine that. And then the other new color that I saw was this one, which is, this is showing as like a dusty blue. It's more of like a darker blue. It's less grayish than it's showing in the camera, but it is a very pretty blue, and you can see the name there, but it is called Denim. And it's funny, I showed it to Julie and she said, hey, that looks like a pair of jeans. So Julie, you're right. So that's Denim. Speaking of Julie, if you haven't checked out her channel yet, make sure you get over there. She is one of my yarn hooker friends, so she is one that you want to follow, hit her bell, and to make sure you don't miss any of the yarn hooker episodes. All right, and the next one, I think they've had this one for a little bit, but it's this color. It's kind of a mustardy yellow, and this one is called Golden. And then finally I picked up, and I think this might be the same color I picked up before. I don't have it handy to compare the two. It might be have a little bit more peachy kind of tone to it, but it's this color, and it is called Pumpkin. So again, it's kind of a fall color. So I got 2 of each of these skeins, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet, but I wanted to pick them up while I was there because I didn't have the colors. They had more, and as tempted as I was to grab both the boxes and all the yarn, I did not do that. Number one, I don't have an endless supply of funds. Anybody want to, you know, just funnel me some cash? I'm good with that. I'll pick up all the yarn then and show it all to you, but I'm just kidding. Most of us don't have endless funds. So yeah, I didn't get a chance to see that. Now, as far as my blankets go that I've been working on, I actually have gotten a smidge behind. So I'm a little bit behind on my blankets. And when I say behind, I just haven't gotten the number of rows I wanted to get done because I was a little bit too busy yesterday and a little bit too busy today. So I'll have to make that up somewhere. I will, trust me, I'll make it up. I'll probably, some of my other projects will get a little sacrifice, but I will make it up. So just to show you really quick. So this one is the one that I'm making out of the cobblestone. I don't know that I got any more done since the last time I showed you guys, but this is where I'm at on this one. So super pretty. I need to do probably about, I think, 8 more rows to get caught up with this, so I'll work on that tonight and see if I can't get that done. And then let me just put that away. All right, and then the one that I started brand new, and I'm really kind of liking this color combo. I need to do probably about 10 rows in this to get caught up. But this is where I'm at on this one. This is the gray, white, and red. So it's gonna be primarily gray, and then it's gonna alternate the white and the red in between the gray. So my kitties are upside down again. I like showing it off with my kitties upside down. So that's where I'm at on that one. And then hopefully maybe while I'm editing tomorrow and stuff's being you know, produced and stuff like that while I'm waiting for things to save, upload, etc., etc., I can be working on these tomorrow. So let me close that one up. And then finally my super Christmassy one. I really have not gotten any more done, so I need to do about 8 rows so I can get to today. So tomorrow I would need to do 10 rows. And just to show you guys again, this is where I'm at on the super Christmassy one. Isn't that pretty? So I will be working on this tomorrow. Now, I will tell you that tomorrow, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have an early or a late one. I might end up doing one early and then recording Mondays tomorrow night, and then uploading it the next day. I'm trying to do it same day, but I think I might do that tomorrow, only because tomorrow is my birthday, and so it's Sunday the 6th. That's my birthday. I'm going to be turning 46, and my mom is cooking me dinner. So after I pick up my husband, from work, we're gonna go up there and have dinner and then come back home, which means that either I'll get a very late video to you, or I think what I'm gonna do is just edit it that night and then drop it for you guys on Monday, so you guys get a little bit of that fun stuff going on, because you know, it's a vlog. I need to have my birthday on my vlog. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. I hope you guys are having an amazing month, an amazing week, an amazing day, and I hope you guys enjoyed the chats today. And if you didn't, check the replays. They should be up by now, but check those, and then join us next weekend. So we're gonna be over at Julie's, which is Whippy Chick. No, I'm sorry. We're gonna be over at Yarn Geeks next Saturday. So make sure you get over to Ginger's house. That's Yarn Geek, and she's linked down below. So just make sure you click on the link and go visit her, and make sure you give her a follow if you haven't already. And then that way you'll be reminded when we do our live over at her place next week. And next week we're gonna be talking about de-stressing or ideas to de-stress for holidays, because you know sometimes they can get a little stressful. So we're gonna do that, and of course I'm gonna be live 11 a.m. on Saturday as well. So I can't wait to see you guys there. You guys have an amazing day. I appreciate each and every one of you. Mwah. Bye bye.